Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing the AirPod Max 2 from Dhgate. With these ones, the color of the box and the logo comes in the AirPod color that you got. In my case, it's purple. The serial number here should match up with the one in your settings. The box looks one-to-one with the original. As soon as you open the box, first thing you see is the ear protectors. The manual and instructions. And a USB-C charger. Inside the case it says designed by Apple in California. This purple is so nice. I honestly don't think the camera did it justice, but it's really nice. At the bottom you'll see the charging part. And if you'd ever like to clean or change them out, you can always pop them off. The cushioning is pretty soft as well. To connect them, you just take them out of the case and it should pop up right on your phone. And they're actually metal, not plastic. The serial number on the box and in the settings match up. You can put it through Apple's website, but I do believe these ones are expired. Here I'm just testing out how the crown works. To increase your volume, just scroll to the right. To decrease it, scroll to the left. To pause and play, you click it once, and then to skip to the next song, click it twice. And to go back to the previous song, click it 3 times. After testing out the crown, it works pretty well. I had no issues with it. The listening modes include transparency and noise cancellation. Also comes with spatial audio. Honestly, I'd say these AirPods that I got recently, these purple ones, are pretty good. I'd give it a 9 out of 10 for the listening quality. You could also adjust these headphones to your comfort. I think these headphones are a great budget-friendly alternative if you're looking for one. I'll show you how to get these exact headphones at the end of the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. If you're interested in these AirPods, please click the link in my description and go to my link tree. Click the first link that says AirPod Max. Then once you click there, it should take you to Dhgate. And then you can select for Max 2, metal and see any color that you like.